10 tips for stop craving. Number 1. Drink water. Drinking water before meals may reduce cravings and appetite, as well as help with weight loss. Number 2. Eat more protein. Increasing protein intake may reduce cravings by up to 60% and cut the desire to snack at night by 50%. Number 3. Plan your meals. Planning your meals for the day or upcoming week eliminates spontaneity and uncertainty, both of which can cause cravings. Number 4. Extremely hungry. Hunger is a big reason for cravings. Avoid extreme hunger by always having a healthy snack ready. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation may disrupt normal fluctuations in appetite hormones, leading to cravings and poor appetite control. Number 6. Eat proper meals. Eating proper meals helps prevent hunger and cravings, while also ensuring that your body gets the nutrients it needs. Number 7. Eat a fruit. Having a piece of fruit may help satisfy sugar cravings for some people. Bananas, apples, oranges work great. Number 8. Get up and go. When a sugar craving hits, walk away. Take a walk around the block to take your mind off the food you're craving. Number 9. Do a light workout. Think about this, an intense workout might make you feel even hungrier, but a low-intensity activity, such as a brisk walk or short bodyweight home workout can have the opposite effect. Number 10. Eat a healthy breakfast. For some people, cravings are part of a cycle of blood sugar highs and lows that can be kicked off almost the moment their feet hit the floor in the morning. A breakfast featuring fiber and protein is more likely to control this cycle. Consider a scrambled egg on whole wheat bread or a turkey sandwich instead of sugary cereal.